Hey guys, Rio here with Email Processing System. So what I wanted to get into in this video today was the Craigslist training, Craigslist domination training. I wanted to show you guys my results with it. I've never used Craigslist before this training. I mean I've heard about Craigslist, but I've never really used it for anything. So kind of like I'm speaking about it as a newbie because I really am a newbie on Craigslist, and while I've gotten results from it, from being and you know I haven't even been that consistent with it, as consistent as I could be, because I'm kind of taking it slow. I don't want to like get flagged or something, which happens, and it happened to me already, and I'll talk about that when I show you guys my results. But yeah, so I'm completely new to Craigslist, never used it before, so I wanted to share my results so you guys can just kind of see. I don't know. I mean, my results might not be the same as yours, but I just wanted to show you guys my specific results so you can see that, this training is actually very helpful, very useful, and it's actually helping me get a lot of leads. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, and I'll go over my thoughts. But first of all, let's go ahead and get into my Craigslist account. Maybe I should have opened this before because it's a little bit slow, but okay. All right, here we go. Let's go to my account. Okay, so here we go. So these are my Craigslist account ads for now. As you guys can see, two of them have been removed, have been flagged. So one of them was flagged as soon as I posted it, right? As soon for the second that I posted it, I checked it and it got flagged. So that's, and it was this one, looking for email processors. So my advice, don't use this because that is probably going to get you flagged, or it might have been something that I wrote in the body. But when I thought about it, email processors is probably something that a lot of people use a lot, because there's a lot of people promoting email processing systems. So that's probably something that gets used a lot. So don't make that mistake. You're probably going to get flagged. And this one was up for like a day or two or something, and then it got flagged. People can flag them. They can report them as spam if they don't like your post, and they can just report it as spam. And if more people are reporting it as spam than people are clicking it and not reporting it, then you're gonna get flagged. So you're gonna be removed. Your ad is gonna be removed. So that's what happened with this other one. Oh, actually, it looks like I have to renew this one. I'll renew it a little later. So these are 5 active ads that I have. Like I mentioned, I haven't been as consistent with it because I've been a little busy, but I've gotten some great results even from just these ads, and other people have like a lot of ads, like pages of ads, so I can only imagine their results. But let me go ahead and show you my results from these ads. And today's the 5th. I started on the 31st, I think, and like I mentioned, one ad was taken away, one ad didn't even work, and so I kind of didn't want to keep trying, and I don't even know if it's true, but I don't want to like keep trying putting ads right after they get removed or flagged, because I kind of think that like the next time I put up an ad, if it's in the same little short while. Let me close this, guys. Sorry about that. There's dogs barking outside. I feel like I might get flagged if I keep like trying to create an ad right after I get flagged. So I don't want to do that. So I just kind of wait it out till the next day and try it then. So I've been slow about it because I want to be a little cautious. But if you want to go for it, go for it. Also, I suggest don't use these, because if you use these the exact same way, you're probably going to get flagged too. And I see a lot of people that complain about their ads getting flagged. Well, it's probably because you're using the same like ad copy that other people are using. So you got to be creative. You got to like make it your own. Also, you got to make it sound like a job. You kind of have to let people, you kind of have to be a little vague about it, but also let people know kind of what they're in for a little bit, not much. We go over that in the training, but just want to like give you guys a quick little tip here. Just kind of make it sound like a job, but at the same time, just kind of write in the description that you're looking for like self-starters, go-getters, people that are willing to put in hard work, that are serious, not people who are like just looking for easy ways to make money online. So that kind of thing. You know, it has to be and you have to actually do it and experiment, and you'll kind of see what I'm talking about, because you'll, like I mentioned, I'm kind of, you kind of see a pattern between what gets flagged and what doesn't. So later on, you kind of become more successful at it, more better at it. So you'll see. But let's go ahead and look at my results here. Okay, so I started on January 31st. Let me go ahead and move my face over here. That's alright, that's good enough. So, okay, so January 31st, right here. Let me move this. January 30, yeah, up here. So these are all like ads. These ads, what I'm pointing, these are like when Craigslist lets you know that the ads are up and that you're good to go. Now these, the ones with the names, those are leads. So let's go ahead and let's see. Let's count the leads that I've had since I started. So that's 1, 2, 3, not leads, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as you guys can see, that's January 31st, then February 2nd, then 3rd. So Mo was 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 so far. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, that's 22. And 23. So that's 23 leads. That's 23 leads so far that I've gotten with Craigslist. And it hasn't been hard. It hasn't, it's just posting an ad. You just have to kind of be careful what you post. But that's the thing, I would post the ad, then go do whatever I was gonna do, or I would post it late at night, then go to sleep, then in the morning wake up, and then see who's interested, and then email them back, and do it that way. Which maybe I'll make another video going into my email template, the one that I've been using, that I kind of just customized to make my own and to promote myself, my video, so they can go and search and they can look me up, maybe become a subscriber to my channel, and then they can check my videos out and see how it all works. So so they know that I'm not some fake person trying to scam them, that I'm somebody that's working a business and wants to help other people work their business. So that's basically what I'm doing on Craigslist. I'm sorry guys, my mouth is a little dry. It's morning, so I haven't had a lot of water today. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it. Like I mentioned, I'm completely new to Craigslist. Don't know much about it. Just from what I've learned through the training, these are the kinds of results I've gotten. Very easy to get, honestly, just easy leads to get, and as you put more ads and more ads on Craigslist, you can see how my results are just going to scale up, more leads, more people talking. I'm talking to more people every day, so that's really good for business. That's what you want to be doing. You want to be talking to people every single day about your business. So you talk to more people, the conversions are going to get higher as well. At the same time, remember, you got to build your brand. You got to have even if you just start doing Craigslist, the training, and you start doing it, but you don't have any brand built, then what are you going to refer them to? Then what videos are you going to show them? I mean, there's stuff you can just talk to them, but it's kind of, I find it easier because when I join someone in a program, I want to see that they know what they're doing, that they build a brand for themselves, that they have videos, that they have a Facebook, they have Instagram, whatever it may be. I just want to know that they're a real person and they're there to help me if I might need their help, and they're just actually they know what they're doing, and they can teach me what to do to be like on their level, to be successful like they are. So yeah guys, just keep that in mind. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys my Craigslist results, my Craigslist training results. Very easy stuff. You just gotta do it. You just gotta do it and put your mind to it, work at it, and you can get some great results. Like I'm having some easy results in a few days. So nothing complicated, just get your hands on the training and do it. So okay guys, like I mentioned, I'm a part of email processing system. If you guys are interested in joining, I'm going to leave a link down below. If you guys don't really know what email processing system is, I'm going to put, you can subscribe to my channel down here, somewhere around here my face is going to pop up, and then there's going to be an email processing system playlist that I have where I go over what email processing system is and all that good stuff, you know, all the different things that go along with it, which it's a very easy system, so nothing complicated about it. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for my video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to contact me through my Facebook link if you guys have any questions. My email is down there as well. Like always, thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.